Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your smartwatch after a reset. First, ensure your smartwatch has at least 80% battery life. Next, download the correct companion application from your phone's app store. This app is crucial for managing your device. Finally, activate Bluetooth on your smartphone, typically found in the settings menu, to prepare for pairing. These initial steps are vital for a smooth connection process. Now, let's initiate the pairing. Open the companion app on your phone and look for an option like Add New Device or Pair Smartwatch. The app will then begin searching for nearby devices. Once your smartwatch appears, select it. A 6-digit or 4-digit pairing code will often display on both screens. Confirm these match to establish a secure connection. This step usually takes less than 30 seconds. After successful pairing, you'll need to configure your smartwatch. The app will likely request permissions for features like location or notifications. Grant these for optimal performance. Next, synchronize your data, which might include contacts, calendar, and fitness goals. Take a moment to browse the various watch faces and adjust notification preferences to suit your daily routine. This personalization enhances your user experience significantly. If you encounter connection issues, don't worry. A simple restart of both your phone and smartwatch often resolves minor glitches. If that doesn't work, try clearing the companion app's cache or even reinstalling it completely. Also, ensure your smartwatch isn't already paired with another device, as this can prevent a new connection. These steps address 90% of common pairing difficulties.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.